Hi everyone, just wanted to quickly go over the week 3 assignments. So the UAP, use of unlicensed assistive personnel. For this assignment or discussion form, you're going to locate a professional peer-reviewed article that discusses delegation of nursing tasks to unlicensed assistive personnel. You're going to post the article and whether or not you agree or disagree with the article and support your decision on the discussion forum. So important to note that each student must post an original article. So two students may not post the same article. If an article has already been posted, reposting the same article will result in no grades. So make sure prior to you posting that you're looking to see that the article that you have reviewed has not already been used. You're going to describe specifically how you would use UAPs on your unit so that they would maximize healthcare dollars while providing safe patient care. And then you're going to critique two students' posts and defend or alter your original stand on UAP usage on your unit. And when I say your unit, I'm referring to the staffing unit that you opened in week 1. So the initial post where you're going to post your peer-reviewed article is due on September 13th. And then your critique that you do is going to be due on Saturday, September 15th. And then your final post for this will be due September 18th. You can find all of this information right in here on your Moodle website. So the other thing we're going to be doing for week 3 is mock interviews. This is such an important thing or skill to become accustomed to when you're hiring employees. So there is an interview conduction rubric, and you'll note that there are group chat rooms that you can get in. So there's an Excel document right here that lists everybody in the course who is interviewing and if you're the applicant. So if you're the applicant, I'll be emailing out different issues that I want you to bring up in the interview. So you'll need to open this file to see who you're interviewing or who's going to be interviewing you, so then you can connect via email, however it is you would prefer to communicate, to figure out when to get your interview done. The interviews, both mock interviews, must be completed by September 18th. If you have any questions about how this works, just shoot me an email and I'm happy to go over it. I will, like I said, be emailing out the issue that we'll be giving the applicants to talk about it in the interview. So those are the assignments that are upcoming. Just reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.